Good morning, good morning, good morning. I got up as early as 3 past 3. I did the analysis on the market and then I took some positions. Now I'm actually waiting for the positions to go into take profit, but the market is playing up. It's playing up. I actually know the market is going to be a day of buying, because if I open the 1 hour time frame, you will see that my trend line here, this trend line, the prices on the 3 points, on the 3 peak price point, it break through. Price broke through the trend lines and went to the outside, indicating that price want to do an upward movement. But why did I enter a sell? I entered for a sell because on the 15 minutes time frame, if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, you will see that price is getting ready to do a retest of the 1 hour trend line before it continue to the upper side. So I wanted to take that peep, and I really put in a lot of pips there. Now when it comes down, it will be enough for the day. I don't like trading all through the day, so I saw an opportunity for price coming down, so I took it. Price is just dancing around, consolidating within that upper, in the 15 time frame there, but ultimately the price will come down on this resistance line. You can see it take profit and other this thing. Then I may just put 2 or 3 positions that I will be monitoring to see how when they go up to a profitable position, then I will take my take profit. But for now, that is my position. The price is sitting right about the first set of position is sitting right there, but the price will eventually come down from my analysis, and then I'll take that profit and then put few positions. Maybe I enter for the final uptrend. Thank you very much. It wants to go up from what I'm saying. These are one of the days that I'm telling you, it's not every time that it go according to how you see it. This is one of the days, and I'm glad it's here, finally here. Okay, it doesn't come occasionally like that. So what I usually do in this kind of cases, I hedge my trades. Everybody has a way he's doing his or her trade. In my own case, I hedge my trade. When we talk of hedging, is opening positions the opposite direction. Why I know that it has changed position is, now if you see on this side we have resistance. Let me show you clearly. Now from that horizontal line, if you notice, price came and touched at this level, formed peaks at that level, and when it formed 3 peaks, there is high probability of the price breaking through, because it's also just like the trend line, our trend lines. This is a trend line, just like the trend line way. we after 3 peak touches, we always want to break through the price barrier. Even on the up, the horizontal line, it does the same. So when I say edging, what I'm going to do right now is to enter positions to the upside. I will enter positions like you see now. I am buying instead of selling. So by the time the price goes up, I will start recovering the money the lost positions have acquired. I will start. I'm buying now. I've started buying because there are indications that price we broke, we go upward. So I've started buying positions for upward movement. It's preparing now. It's preparing to take an upward movement. I'll still join us. I'll carry us along with this same trade, and you see. Thank you very much. I'll resume when the trade is in a position to show you. I remember I told you I'll show you my difficult times. I actually bought this trade for a sell, but at some point I noticed that the trade has changed formation for an uptrend. And I remember I told you today was going to be an uptrend. I knew it was going to be an uptrend, but I decided to take the sell, that is retest. But unfortunately, the retest failed. It failed. It did not goes as planned. I was thinking the trade will get down to this point to test the trend line, but I started seeing signs of retracement right around this area. So I went back. I went back to check to see what it was saying, and this is what I got. And I just put it there and then back, trace to see. And I saw that I can't say I rushed into the trade. I saw this resistant zone. I saw this resistance zone initially, but I was thinking the retest will overpower the resistance zone. But unfortunately, it didn't. It couldn't withstand it. It just turned back and started going upward. So what I did was I edged my trade in double format. Sometimes I can triple it, but on this particular case, I've entered so much trade because I didn't really want to trade today. I just wanted to take. I opened about. I think I opened about 15 position to the downside. So all my plans were that at this rate, at this take profit, I will have enough money for today. But unfortunately, it did not go that way. So what I did was I opened the trade. When I saw the formation for an uptrend, I opened to the upside. Do you get me? That is how I recover my loss in trade. I thank God this particular trade is coming up now, because it will indeed help me to show you how I recover losses. This is a process. Now it's recovering of losses, and I'll show you when the trade are fully recovered. When the trade is in profit, I will show you. Right now, you see it going to the upside, and there are more trades. I have to open more position to the opposite side to be able to make my recovery. I'll show you when it's in the recovery. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is how I do my recoveries. Anytime I take a trade and it goes against me, I edge the trade and open more position than the initial positions. Right now, the trade is already in profit, and this profit is okay for me. So this is how I make my recovery losses. Now I'm going to close this trade now. I think I'm talking too much and my profit is reducing. So what I need to do now is just to close all of the trades. And you see, what was initially a losing trade turned into a winning trade. I hope this is helpful. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. You can share it. This will help me to produce more of these videos. I'll be able to, it will go a long way to reach more people. If you can see the videos are not really clean, are not really sharp, this will help me to make this video clearer by purchasing more better equipment to film. And then I can teach you. I'm not going to charge. It's when you want extra charges, extra lessons that I'm going to charge. But I'm going to give you my basic knowledge of how to trade it. Now I'm using my phone for now so as to make us know that a Forex does not demand so much buying equipment for you to start. For me, I can use my phone, but many of you need to learn more of it using laptop. But you can still use your phone. If you are not opportune to buy a laptop, you can still use your phone for trading. The main thing is for you to know how to trade first. I can't emphasize this point. You have to know what you're doing before you open trades. You have to know what you're doing before you open trade. Please, if you like this video, please like it. I notice most of you are coming into my videos and watching them, but you are leaving without liking them. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, become a part of my channel. And then in subsequent days, I'll be teaching you more on how to read the charts, analyze it, and take positions. Thank you very much.